The blink of an eye!
Pay attention. All
Shall
good.
I keep you company? In the blink of an eye! Really? Open up the throttle!
Time to burn.
A fiery gift for you!
Burn.
Shall I keep you company?
Calling fire.
In the blink of an eye! Open up the throttle! In the blink of an eye!
Burn.
Enjoying yourself? Shall I keep you company? It's not bad!
Right.
Open up the throttle! What a wonderful gift you've given to me!
Time to burn.
In the blink of an eye! Open up the throttle!
Pay attention. No escape.
In the blink of an eye! Really? Oh!
Your heart is going all out. You're as good as dead.
Done!
Satisfied?
With such fleeting pleasure? Hardly. There are higher heights to which you and I can still soar.
Okay, boys! Give them everything you've got! But kill the swordsman first!
We really must do this again. Until then, try not to die. I'll see you on the road, my friend.
God damn it! Let's go. Right.
Run! Run while you can!
Friendly! Friendly! Stand down!
Your team shouldn't be here.
Glad yours is.
Come here. Wedge will be fine, but you won't be if they start asking questions.
And who are they?
First guests to the party, another avalanche cell. Our holier-than-thou friends from the old guard. It's always their way or the highway. Lately, they've been a real pain in the ass. Till now.
So then why are they here?
Beats me. We've been on the outs ever since our cell got labeled too extreme. Though they're the ones running around with mil-spec gear. Word is, they cut a deal with Wutai. Promised him all the materia in Midgar, apparently. Think there's any truth to that?
You tell me.
Sometimes, I think we're the only ones who've realized the war's over. Okay, mission complete. Let's make our way back to the lot.
Right.
Looking a lot more crowded now.
Security's out in force.
Just what we need.
Hostile forces have breached the 7-6 Annex in large numbers. Threat severe. Special task force authorized. All units, proceed to location and secure it. Repeat.
So, are we not gonna wait for Wedge?
If we stuck around or went back, we'd only get upset.
Why is that?
There's a soldier who wouldn't understand. I'm telling you, we're worried about him,
Please remain indoors to reduce the risk of success should we experience further malfunction.
Many of our citizens have already been disturbed by the alarm. Squad A will set up here and search for suspects. B will establish a perimeter, roadblocks included. Contain the situation. Rumors of violence against public security will only...
You made it! Over here!
We will tell any concerned citizens that this was a false
Okay,
alarm.
form up, let's go!
Could you have been any louder? I mean, it made my job a lot easier, but... Wait, where's Wedge? Wedge! That was close.
We'll go get him.
Hey, buddy. How you doing? Come on.
Not my finest hour.
You get hit?
Just swinged, I think. Oh, shot!
Really? Let me see.
Are we seriously doing this here? That's... wow.
You guys are the worst.
Huh? Your ass is fine. Maybe singed, but the only casualty is your underwear. This is like a bruise or a mild burn at worst.
Now that was a gunshot.
Is that a smile I spy?
It's not safe here. We should go.
Copy that.
So, how do we get back to the slums?
With a little trick I've been dying to try out.
The 7-6 Annex's alarm system is currently undergoing maintenance. We apologize for any inconvenience or confusion caused by false notifications. Please remain indoors to reduce the risk of distress should we experience further malfunction.
I can't believe HQ was running an op tonight of all nights.
All residents are to return to their homes and remain indoors until further notice.
For something.
I repeat, for your safety, go home.
I heard someone say it was an attack.
Hey, it was those terrorists, right?
There has been no attack. For your safety, please go home and remain indoors until further notice.
Move your vehicle! Stop playing!
An emergency has been declared. All civilians are to remain indoors. Your cooperation is appreciated.
Please remain indoors. Distress should be experienced further malfunction.
Right, this is it. Through here and we're home free.
Where exactly are we going?
When we get there, you'll know. Now that I've got my blasting agent, we should have everything we need for our next mission.
Sure hope so.
Yeah, me too. For your dad's sake.
Hey, what the hell, man?
Huh?
Cloud was just saying how he hopes to come back and try the Midgar special next time.
Really, huh? Cloud said that?
Sure did. Wants a whole pie to himself. Isn't that right?
That's right.
Really? Well, okay then. Maybe I'll lend Mom a hand next time too.
That'd be awesome!
Super duper awesome.
Should be somewhere around here. Bingo. I half figured my dad got it wrong, but nope. They're here just like he said.
Parachutes?
Huh? What do you mean half figured?
50-50 is pretty good odds if you ask me. This is gonna be fun. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate you coming all this way with me. And like I said before, I'd be grateful if you kept this between us until after the mission. I don't want to complicate things.
Sure. Okay, who's ready to fly?
Me!
Hey, Cloud, you let him down gently, all right?
Yep.
Wait, I almost forgot. One more thing.
Whoa! Stop it! What in the hell are you trying to...
Easy, you'll make us fall.
Not if you do first!
Swing by my place after, so I can pay you in full.
No!
Wait! Give me a minute!
No,
Why you have to be such a hard-ass, bro?
I ain't your bro.
I wish I could have done more. Just got hurt.
You did enough. You took one for the team. Be proud.
Yeah? Yeah!
Feels like we're flying high these days.
Now, more than ever.
He's a keeper, all right.
Yeah! Together, we can take on the world!
I'll head home on my own. After all, I'm only a little sore.
It's cool. We'll go together.
Aw, thanks, bro.
Cut that out.
This way. Think Jesse and Biggs made it back safe?
I guess.
Cool if we check on them? We'll pass by their places anyway.
Sure.
I have to tell you that I'm grateful for all of your help thus far. I've done it! I've developed a new materia. I look forward to receiving all of your future battle intel solutions.
Think we'll have to fight Avalanche one of these days.
Got new numbers for monster slaying this month. Check them out.
Me wanted to leave me. Gar didn't go over so well.
You?
I stayed up all night.
You know about the secret reactor job?
I'm gonna try to find some living. I'm gonna try to find some live-in work on the plate.
You know about the secret reactor? Everyone and their mother, so long as the children are safe.
I'm so sick of this life.
Try another distro room?
Me wanted to leave Midgard and...
Well, this is Big's place. I guess he hasn't made it home yet.
Guess not.
Hope he isn't worst casing it again. He's got a habit of overthinking things, worrying about all the possible outcomes till his head hurts.
Wouldn't have guessed.
And when he worries, I worry. Anyway, let's head on over to Jesse's.
Me wanted to leave Midgard and... Scares me to death thinking there might be more to come.
This is where Jesse lives. Men are not allowed inside. Lots of pretty girls trying to make it big on stage live here. So don't hang around or they might get the wrong idea.
Huh.
I'm telling you this for your own good, Cloud. People around here love to gossip.
They know about Jesse and Avalanche?
Nah, it's all good. They think she's an actress. Oh, and one more thing, bro. It's all a game to her. Don't fall for it.
You lost me.
Life's a stage and love's the play. Guys aren't allowed, remember?
You know about the secret reactor jobs?
I'm gonna try to find some living work.
Hey there, Bigums, Reggie, Smalls. Brought a new friend to meet you.
What?
These little guys are on guard duty today.
Okay.
Thanks for seeing me home.
Really sorry about your ass.
It's all good, bro.
It's kind of weird when you call me that.
Hey, don't be scared. Deep down, he's a big softie. It's okay. It's okay. Good job, guys. Great work. Aw, I missed you too. Oh, Bigum.
Well, if it isn't Cloud Strife. Was wondering when you'd show up. Without further ado, here you are. Thanks for stepping up, Merc. And now for the cherry on top.
Okay, I get it. Mind letting me breathe?
Depends. Mind coming over tomorrow night? My roommates should all be out for a while.
Are you seriously that desperate? Just let go already.
Only if you promise to come back tomorrow night. Deal?
No promises, but I'll think it over.
Really? You will? I'd make a I'll have you know. Marsh, Loosh, Black Millie, Red Jelly, I use only the best ingredients. Sound good?
Never heard of any of that stuff.
Oh, you are so adorable, you know that? You just leave everything to me. It'll be great. Nighty-night. Psych.
Bad idea. Bad idea.
I stayed up all night thinking about the reactor. He wanted to leave me.
That statement Avalanche put out is the real deal?
She's probably asleep.
Cloud?
Yeah,
You were out for a while.
just walking.
I ran into Johnny, by the way. Said not to worry. He was getting out of town.
Oh, that guy.
You weren't thinking of leaving Midgar anytime soon, were you?
Well, seems this old friend of mine's in a tight spot. A long time ago, I said I'd be there for her. Made a promise. So...
Can't say this is quite what I had in mind when I put that on you way back when.
if you want to talk, I'm listening.
Huh? What's with you all of a sudden?
With me?
Like you're losing that hard edge.
That bad?
Not at all. I like it. Maybe Marlene won't be so scared of you next time. I'm really glad to have you back, Cloud. Really glad. It's pretty late, huh? I'd like to catch up more, but we should probably both get some sleep, yeah?
Yeah.
Good night, then.
Good night, Tifa.
Sleep and dream the sweetest dreams.
Cloud!
What's wrong?
Come with me! Quickly! We were getting ready to set out when those things showed up and came after us.
The others?
Barrett and Jesse are holding their ground, but for how long? I don't know.
Let's go.
Right.
Ready?
You know it.
Let's head for the barn.
Okay.
I got this. Take the lead.
Let's go! Let's do this right. Bingo! Ha! Ha! Take that! Watch yourself!
Hang back. You kill it?
Man, I really hope we do. There's no There's way too many of them.
Keep it together.
All set.
There's no end to this.
Gotcha. Good luck.
Let's do it. Enough.
Gotcha.
That'll do. Take the lead.
I got this. Watch yourself.
Hang back. No idea. Pretty sure you can't even see them unless they make physical contact first.
That's all you can do. More of them? We're running out of time.
Any other way?
Yeah, over here.
Again?
Are they trying to stop us from reaching the others? Cloud, this way. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's like trying to fight a hurricane.
Stay on your feet.
You don't have to tell me that.
Don't overdo it.
Okay, let's go. I'll be fine. You're up.
Let's talk.
Back off!
That's that. What the? It's adapting. Take the lead.
I got this. Gotcha. It's on you.
I got it. Don't overdo it.
Okay, let's go. There. Watch yourself.
Let's do it.
Come on, damn it.
Here we go. Keep it together.
Let me handle this. Gotcha. Gotcha.
My turn. Let's finish this.
Get the hell out of my face,
Take him down.
Let's finish.
to me. No holding back. That's that.
How's your ammo?
Running low! Jesse!
Damn it!
Huh?
The hell?
Jesse!
You okay? Me and my two left feet. Easy now.
What's going on? What's happening?
We ain't putting on a damn show! The hell were those things? Some kind of... I don't know. Guess I shouldn't be surprised, though. Never can tell what weird shit'll come crawling out of the scrap down here. It's those reactors. I'm telling you.
It hurt?
Wish I could say it didn't, but yeah. God, this is so embarrassing. I hate playing the damsel in distress.
It happens.
What did you do to your leg? Does it hurt?
Not nearly as much as the fuss everyone's making. Still, I think you ought to avoid putting any... I'm fine!
Oh.
That's enough. You're out, Jesse.
Huh? What about the mission? We already sent Biggs in, remember? Don't tell me you're thinking of calling it off.
No. We got this.
The hell you do.
If you need someone to step up, I'm your man.
Okay. So here's the thing.
I'm gonna need a raise.
Consider it done. All right, everyone. Clouds in. The mission is on.
Go and raise some hell for me, okay?
Listen, Wedge. I need you to hang back and guard the home front.
What? But I'm in perfect health.
Which makes you the perfect choice to look after Jesse and Marlene.
Hey.
Let's get this show on the road to Mako Reactor 5. Once you got your gear in order, head to the station for the meet. Got it? This'll help you get squared away. Don't tell me I never did nothing for you. I'm counting on you, soldier boy.
Relegated to stagehand once again. I'm starting to think I'll never have a starring role.
There's always next time.
What's this? Words of encouragement? Thanks. I need them.
I'm counting on you, bro. Don't let anything happen to the others.
All right, let's get going.
Sure. After you take a deep breath.
Huh?
I can tell you're nervous.
That obvious, huh? Okay, I'm ready now.
Could have been training, I guess.
Outsiders must be absolutely terrible. Feels like we're
No way I'm going topside now.
If it isn't our favorite Merc. So, what are you looking for? You name it, it's here.
I hope you will continue to help me gather vital information for my research. I look forward to receiving all of your future battle intel submissions.
The tally of monster slain has been updated!
Everything is
numbers for monster slain!
You're the talk of the town, Merc. Been hearing from all over how you've been kicking ass and helping folks out.
If you see anything out of the ordinary, what were they shooting at? The hell's so bad about you? Screw them sons of bitches.
moving down the path. Maybe it's not sliding.
Folks have been everyone talking about the great job you've been doing lately.
Cloud, you've exceeded my expectations. I hope you will continue to help me gather vital information for my research. I look forward to receiving all of your future battle intel submissions.
I heard they're running on an emergency.
I can't wait any longer.
It's okay.
All right, people. Mission starts the moment we board that train. You sure you ready for this?
Do you think Biggs is on schedule?
All we can do is hope.
Today really gotta be the day, huh?
Ain't no stopping this train we're on, son. A lot of people risk their lives to get it rolling. Already put the word out, more's coming too. Shut them all down by today, or we shut another down for you. Ain't on us, not us. Play it cool.